Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question: the square root of 169 minus the square root of 168. You can pause it here and give it a try, but let's begin. So the square root of 169 is 13. So I can write that the square root of 13 minus 168. So we have the square root of 13 minus root 168. And root 168, 168 is 42 times 4. And the square root of 4 is 2. So root 168 is 2 root 42. So now I have root square root of 13 minus 2 root 42. And now we are going to do this. I'm going to write what's under the square root as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. And I'm going to use a as root 6 and b as root 7. And that works because a squared then will be 6 and b squared will be 7. And a squared times b squared is indeed 13. And AB is root 6 times root 7, that's indeed root 42, so it works perfectly. So let's do that. So now the square root of 6 plus 7 minus 2 times the square root of 6 times the square root of 7. Now what we are going to do is to rewrite what's under the square root in this form using this identity. A squared plus b squared minus 2ab equals a minus b squared. If you factorize a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, you get a minus b squared. Since what's under the square root is already in the form a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, we can factorize it to a minus b squared. Right? So let's do that. It becomes root 6 minus root 7 squared, since a is root 6 and b is root 7. Now the square root of a squared number is equal to the absolute value of that number. The square root of x squared is equal to the absolute value of x. So I have the absolute value of root 6 minus root 7, right? Since root 7 is bigger than root 6, that's a negative expression. So the absolute value of root 6 minus root 7 is going to be root 7 minus root 6, right? And that will be the final answer, right? Root 7 minus root 6, right? You get a negative of root 6 minus root 7, and that's root 7 minus root 6. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye.